Have you ever noticed this little-known strategy Starbucks uses in its store design? Look at this, 2 neighborhood stores, same brand, same city. On paper, they should be almost identical, and yet they're not. Now, that's no accident. They're different by design. You see, many national chains will rely on standardized store designs, but at Starbucks Canada, they take a different approach. It's a design strategy they call localization at scale. In simple terms, whenever possible, no 2 stores are exactly alike. Instead, each location's adapted to its surroundings. We're talking about the neighborhood, the architecture, even the local customer base. But designing each store to be different, it actually creates a whole new set of challenges, and that's where Canada's Best Store Fixtures comes in.
Our job is to ensure the design intent and the feel is still maintained throughout every single store across Canada.
So how does a brand with more than 1,400 stores across Canada actually do it? Well, it starts with a standardized design system developed by the Starbucks in-house design team. And from there, each store is adapted to its building footprint, customer traffic patterns, local architecture, and the surrounding neighborhood.
Localization at scale is difficult. It's not an easy task. It's the small custom details that make everything feel unique. So the palette that Starbucks presents is always maintained across the board, but then every location gets customized paneling, customized seating areas, and that then helps every location to feel unique on its own.
Now, delivering that level of customization consistently across hundreds of locations is where execution becomes just as important as design. And as one of Starbucks Canada's millwork partners for more than 20 years, CBSF will review the packages to ensure that everything can actually be built on budget, on schedule, and at scale.
Our role here at CBSF is to value engineer based on material specifications, based on construction methods, and make sure our product is structurally sound for the design intent that the designer is trying to reach.
From there, Canada's Best Store Fixtures will manufacture and install many of the elements that will help make a Starbucks store feel like a Starbucks. We're talking wall cladding, service counters, feature walls, and the centerpiece of many of the new locations, banquette seating that can stretch for more than 30 feet. Of course, Starbucks stores can't just look good on opening day. They also need to perform, which means every material, every finish must be selected to withstand years of daily use.
When we're challenged with the task of making things last longer, durability is always a key. We look at what materials could be used to resist moisture, fit within fire regulations. We work to generate something that will satisfy the customer and last many months and years to come.
This means future-proofing fixtures. An example, we build seating systems with removable cushions, allowing worn components to be replaced without rebuilding the entire bench. Or we'll repurpose existing shelving systems by dressing them up with new millwork backings instead of replacing them entirely.
Being with Starbucks for many, many years, we've managed to continue our relationship together in building new stores and the renovation projects as well, adapting to their design modules, networking with the design team, building trust, and continuing that relationship with Starbucks.
It's a reminder that great retail environments don't come from great designs alone. It comes from long-term partnerships between the designers and engineers, the manufacturers and builders, all working together to deliver and continually improve exceptional retail environments.